starting off, we're gonna go with a primer, and recently I bought the Pore Master Sebum. A little goes a long way with this, so I just use a little bit around my nose, my chin, my forehead, and here, my cheeks. I also forgot to use sunscreen, but I'm not going out because I actually just came back from work. So don't forget to put your sunscreen on. That actually does a pretty good job of blurring your face. It lasts 18 months. Next up, we're gonna go in with my concealer. We're gonna conceal these bags. I usually just make a 90-degree triangle. It looks like it's a lot, but that's because it is, and I'm trying to conceal my life right now. So now we're just gonna let that sit for a while. And I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I use a BB cushion just because it's very simple and easy to use. Now we're gonna blend the concealer out. We're gonna go in and fix our eyebrows. Earlier I took off my face makeup but not my eyebrows. It looked kind of nice today, so I didn't want to take it off. But we're just gonna retouch them. I'm using the Cream Gel Brow Color with brush from Benefit. I'm just retouching it gently. So I'll darken this a bit so you can see it on camera. From Benefit. I'm gonna just use the brush that they provided. I'm going to just shade right down here and bring it towards the end of my cheeks to make it more slim, and we're just gonna buff it out here. Ooh, that's gorgeous. And down where my jawline is, you want to sharpen that up. I'm just gonna start here and make a triangle, kind of like a curve here, so that it's like connecting with your nose-ish, and then just bring it down. Today's video, I wanted to do something different, and I didn't want to do pink and red eyeshadows. So we're gonna keep our eyeshadow neutral and put the focus on our cheeks and our lips. So today's main focus is going to be our cheeks because it's Valentine's Day, and because it's Valentine's Day, you kind of want to look blushed. I'm using Cotton Blush by Misha in Vintage Robe. We're just gonna put it on the apples of her cheeks. Girl, it is everything. I'm also going to put a little bit on my nose just to give it that fresh look. A little ah-choo action. Next up, I'm gonna go with this Clavu White Pulsation. It gives you a dewy look. I'm just gonna put a little bit. It has this pink undertone. You're just gonna put it on the spots that shines my face. So for example, a little bit on my forehead, my nose right here, my chin, and where else do I want it? Right here. Right here on my cheeks. Yeah, we're just gonna blend that out. What this does is it makes your skin, gives that glowy effect, and we want to be glowing. I'm using the Sister Anne Perfect Edge eyeliner. We're gonna line the top part of our eyes and make a little, just a slight, not wing eyeliner, but just extend right beyond your eyes to create bigger eyes. If you're not really good with lining your eyes, just do it slowly. There we go, voila. Now we're gonna go with our lashes, and I want something a little natural. I'm using these Icy Cheer lashes in 3D18. I got these on AliExpress, and as you can see here, I've written down my lash size, and I find that my perfect lash size is 2.5 centimeters. Through some trial and error, these are kind of a little bit too light, so I'm actually going to combine two of them. Layer them on top of each other and glue them to my eyes. Okay. Alright, we've got our lashes on. This is how it looks like from the side. A very natural look. Still going off on our eyes, we're gonna try to make it pop. So we're gonna be using NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. It's in white, and we're gonna put it in the inner corner like so and blend a little bit with your fingers. This is a very nice way to make your eyes pop. We're just gonna put a little bit of this white stuff in the inside. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna go in with our lips. I'm gonna be using the 20 Mole Red of the Day in shade number 2. This is a very beautiful blush pink color. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Blend that out. We don't want it to look too rough on our lips. Okay, so this is the final look. How do you like it? I am totally digging this. What you could also do is add a little bit of red to the inner parts of your lips, just to add a little like blooming rose effect. So I'm going to be using the Coast Tattoo Velvet Lip Tint in a number 7 Peak. I'm just going to add just a teeny bit on the inner parts of my lips. So let's just do like 3 dots and 2 dots here. Okay, we're going to go in with our cotton swab and just blend it out. You can control how dark you want it. So there you have it. It looks like there's just a flower blooming. Last but not least, and we're almost finished, I'm going to put some of this white stuff right on my Cupid's bow right here, just to kind of make it pop. Like ever so slightly. I'm gonna put some of this contouring stuff, just a very light amount, just so that there's some color but it's not too overwhelming. Okay everyone, so this is the final look. I'm totally digging this. We've got our blush action going on. We've got our blooming flower that's happening here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.